This is the right hand side control panel. As you can see, it's 5 buttons and 5 lights. This button here turns the electricity inside the vehicle on or off. So click that and it all comes on. Then over to the middle, you've got a battery symbol with an L on it. That's the leisure battery, which provides the power to the fridge, and no, it doesn't. I'm lying to you, I'm sorry. To the lights. You press it and this shows you how charged up the battery is. If it's getting low, you can turn the engine on and it will recharge quite quickly. The one on the end is V for vehicle battery, which is a starter battery. Again, it's charged up. There you go. Don't let this one get flat. I mean, it shouldn't get flat, but don't, because you won't start the vehicle. If you're plugged into mains power, these are both on charge all the time, so there's not a real problem. This button here, press it and it lights up and it shows you how much fresh water you've got. So that's about half a tank. If it gets low, then it will start to bleep. The light next to it is a warning for the grey waste tank being full up, to remind you to empty it. And this one here, the tap, turns on the water pump so that you can use the shower, the toilet and the kitchen sink.